Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a newly listed small cap where Sunil Singhania's Abakkus Growth Fund 1 and Abakkus Emerging Opportunities Fund 1 have bought 60 lakhs and 27 lakhs 12,220 shares at Rs 24 via a bulk deal on the Bombay Stock Exchange. WF Asian Reconnaissance Fund Limited was the seller with 95 lakhs 15,355 shares sold at the same price. Now friends, we also recently started a free Telegram channel for our YouTube subscribers. We'll be providing a link to the group in the description of the video. Please click on the link to join the group. Also friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button and choose all notifications to remain updated whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is IIFL Securities Limited, which is available at Rs 24.65 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is IIFL SEC. Now IIFL Securities Limited is a securities brokerage company. The company was founded in March 1996 and is located in Mumbai, India. Now this company has been recently demerged from its parent entity, and since listing, the stock had a stupendous run, hitting a lot of upper circuits. However, since then the stock has been choppy and is currently trading at around Rs 25. The market cap of the company is 748.87 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 6.95 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 3.37, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 38.34. The price to book ratio of 1.02 is also very cheap. The company also has a spectacular dividend yield of 12.79%. However, the numbers may not be exactly reflective as the company has recently been demerged. Promoter holding stands at 29.40%, whereas none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, even though this industry is trading at dirt cheap valuations, but there are a lot of dark clouds over this industry as such. Recently there has been news of the Karvi scam, and even on the business front, these companies may be losing market share. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.